Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. Today we will discuss the PS command in Linux or operating system. PS stands for process status. The process which are currently running on the system or that has ended, their status is shown by this command. The basic syntax is shown here. The keyword PS followed by the options and the format. So let's demonstrate the PS command. So if I type PS simple without any options, what do I get? I get 4 columns. The first column PID, which is the process ID. The second column TTY, the title of the terminal or the name of the terminal. And the third one is the time taken by the processor to execute that command. And the fourth column shows us the commands or the processes that has been executed. So let's try the same command with further options. For example, if I type the option E, it will enlist all the processes of the system, no matter which terminal it belongs to, which user it belongs to. It will enlist all the processes here, and with the same format, the PID, TTY, time and CMD. For further elaboration, if I want to get the details, I accompany this command with the format type F, which means full format. So it will give us the full format of the process. This is basically the user ID. Here in this case, only user root is running the processes. So all the root processes are Debian, which is the system processes included in this thing, because I am running the command from Debian source, so it is showing us the Debian. And the second column, the process ID, PPID, is basically the parent process ID. The parent process ID is the process which initiates its child processes. So for example, here I can say the process 1 and 2 belongs to the parent process 0 and 0. Similarly, it is a start time, a TTY, which is the title of the terminal, time taken by that command, and the command itself. Here, as you can see, that it is showing us the details of the command. So what does it mean? Previously, when I run the PS with every option, it only displayed the command type, but here you can see that it has displayed the command and the options paused to that command. So this is all about the PS command, the process status command. You can practice with it by trying different options. For example, if I use the option T, it will enlist the processes of the current terminal. And similarly, if I use the option X, it will enlist the process of the current user. In our case, it is root, so it is displaying all the processes that are run by the root. You can try many different options. For example, if type P means process, and the process ID, for example, I write the type the process ID 2024, which here in this case is this command tracker. If I execute, you can see that I get the details of the process having the ID to 2024. Similarly, you can try it with the PPID. I have to use double hyphen PP3. There is no PPID S3. 1. So PPID 1, the parent process ID, has following child processes run by it, and you will notice that the parent process itself is not displayed here. So you can try the command with different options. Thanks all for now. Thank you very much, and if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks and goodbye.